So at the moment we're in Clifton. Clifton is one of my favorite places. I love to, you know, just pop out when I'm not doing anything. And why not just pop here too, you know? It's beautiful, right? It's a beautiful place. Why don't you pop here when you're in Bristol? Yeah. And if you follow me on Instagram, you see most of my pictures are from Clifton as well. I think I took a picture in front of that shop. Yeah, I think you just have to go through my Instagram pictures. Ghana money, probably the picture is there. Right. Oh, you have to see this. Is that not beautiful? It's beautiful, right? Should we walk on that street? Shall we? No, let's go down first. Let me show you a bit more of Clifton. Yeah. So this is what I was telling you. If you want to pay, you can use a Ringo app, and there's the code. You can also use coins to pay. Yeah, it's Ringo. This is where we are right now at this moment. Yeah. So let's continue. Right. So in front of me there, that's an Ivy, the Ivy restaurant, the Ivy Bristol. It's a beautiful restaurant. They do a lot of yummy, delicious food. So yeah, why not you pop in there and grab some delicious food. I think my car is parked down there. Yeah. All right. Let's continue the vlog. It's really wet today, so I can't show you lots. So, thank you, mate. Hiya. The dog. Hi, Keith. All right. This restaurant here, I think it's a Michelin star restaurant. So yeah. So if you want to have some delicious Indian food, feel free to pop in there and have some delicious food. Yeah. So this is where we are. This is where we are. I don't think there's nothing down there. So what I'll do is I'll walk down that street and then I'll turn right at the end. You don't know why I'm laughing, because I'm very wet and I'm vlogging in the rain. It's crazy, right? I don't know why I'm in the rain vlogging, but I want to get content. That's what you do when you don't have umbrella, but you still want to vlog. Let me clean the lens a little bit. Whew. Let me show you where I did. So Charlie, we did a place called Clifton. Today, I don't know, I'm just laughing at myself because it's really funny. I should be at home editing or cleaning or doing something, but I decided to come out and vlog. You see, now I'm wet. I have my raining coat on, but my face is really wet. So probably I'll name this vlog vlogging in the wet. Is that a good name? Oh my god, that's a nice car. That's a nice Porsche Cayenne. This place is beautiful. Let me clean the lens so I can see this beautiful place. Oh my god, I need to clean the lens. You see, where are they? Yeah, I think I have to turn the camera this way because it's really wet, and I'm in the middle of the street vlogging. And if there's a car coming, let me know. But I think I can see a car from the rear. I mean the front camera. Right, we almost at the end of this Clifton tour. Let me check the time because my time probably running out. So let me check. I think I have about a few minutes before my time ran out, and this is where we are right now. This is not helping. I think I should have planned this tour, but you know what? This is what you do because you can't vlog when it's raining. GoPro is protected. You can use GoPro on any kind of condition. So I'm using it in the rain, and you can see Clifton, right? And that's what I'm out for. You know, I'm showing you Clifton, and that hotel there is called White Lion. Why that hotel is called White Lion, I don't know, but there's something unique about that hotel. They have a very amazing, large, big rooftop or balcony, you might call it. And once you're there, you can have, 360-degree view of the Clifton Suspension Bridge. So that's a tip for you right there. Yeah, this hotel, you just have to get in there and then go to the rooftop. Amazing view of the Clifton Bridge. Can you see the bridge there? I think we almost finished the tour. Let me show you down there. I think we have about 15 minutes, so let me walk you down before the tour ends. Okay. Whew. It's a wet day, and I'm walking in Bristol, Clifton, with my beret on, and the camera is covered in a horrible rain. Yeah, so if you enjoy what I'm doing, this street vlogging, no scripts, raw content, please do give it a thumb up, and also hit the notification button so that anytime I post content, you'll be the first person to get it. You know, I think that's it. Another episode just end like that. Don't forget to subscribe though. Thank you.